What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. Today we're going to be talking about is riding a motorcycle hard, and we're going to take a look at this person handling a situation. Let's just jump right into it. All right. So we're going on a one lane, kind of. It's like no center line stripe. There's a car. Nice little swerve. Did we stay on the road? No, but no. We didn't. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is talking about this, and we're going to do the orbit out in the parking lot. It's a smart rider drill, but then we're going to be talking about is riding a motorcycle hard. Let's take a quick look at this. We are going 111. Okay, I'm assuming that's kilometers an hour. So we're going over 60-something miles an hour. That's the best way I can describe it. No centerline stripe. Not that big of a deal if we are, staying on our side. Okay, that's pretty much what's happening here. So one thing that we got to be looking out for, because we're always planning a ride with these after action reviews. That's what we're mainly focusing on, is are we in a good position for safety? Right now we are. Right now we definitely are. Now, are we locating hazard situations? Let's see. Are you locating one right now? I see a crest of the hill. And I see how it's kind of curving just a little bit. So with the crest of the hill, I don't know what's on the other side. I don't know if there's like tree branches there. I don't know if there's like a deer or just some naked dude running through the forest. Who knows? It could be anything. So we're going pretty fast. We're going 60 plus. We don't know exactly what's happening around this corner. So are we really locating hazardous situations? Not really. To me, this is a relevant threat. I'm going to be in orange stage because I don't know what's happening right now. So we're going to come up to here. And okay, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Now we're going to go through here. Oh, we got another blind corner come up to the left. So we're still in orange stage. And here's the thing. When it comes to assessing relevant threats, a relevant threat to you could be the fact that you're speeding. So just because, everything else looks perfectly good, the road looks perfect, it's a sunny day, tires are warm, I got skill level, but the conditions here says that you should probably be going slower. So now your speed is actually a threat to your life. So we're coming up to here. Oh, there's headlights. Okay, so if we see headlights coming towards us, it means we're going towards them and we're going to collide. Okay, so what do we do here? We're not in a good position for safety at all. We're in their path of travel. We're going to have to do some form of red stage maneuver and swerve out of the way. So red stage. Okay, action time. We got to do something. We got to swerve. We got to emergency brake. We got to do something. Accelerate through if we have to. But in this one, we're in the path of travel. We have to swerve out of the way. So here we go. That person decided to swerve, applied the brakes. You see their headlights kind of went down a little bit. Now they're swerving towards the outside. We're swerving this way. Hey, very good. Everyone's on the same plan here. Almost impacted. We barely could swerve in time because we're both probably going pretty fast. Pretty fast. Thankfully, nothing happened because 120 kilometers per hour, right in the comments. I'm not doing the math. You do the math. Imagine a collision like that. Okay. So we're at this point. It's like, oh, we are not set up for the turn now because we're going too fast. We got shot out to the wrong side. We achieved something back here to where we're not going to have a massive issue, but now we have a new issue. So what are we doing? We got to go off road. Hopefully we can keep it up. Oh, started getting a little wonky. Maybe slam that rear brake and we're starting to slide everywhere. And there's the dumping of the bike. Okay. So the main thing here is that we weren't seeking out and recognizing hazardous situations. We have pretty good fundamental skills. We maybe have gear. I'm not too sure, but are we rescuing each other? I don't know, because we're by ourselves. Kind of a bad situation. Hopefully you can rescue yourself. Hopefully that guy in the car was like looked back and saw you crash and turned around and is helping you. Who knows? But we are teaching us here at the MTC Rider Academy. So thank you so much for teaching everything going on here. But we come up to here, blind corner. Should have already understood, blind corner, your speed is a little too fast, okay? A lot of this is common sense, but common sense isn't very common when your emotions and adrenaline are going crazy. Hey, it's a blind corner. We're going pretty fast, still not paying attention, still not planning our ride, still not doing what we need to do. Oh, there's a vehicle. We saw it. We perceived. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to swerve a little bit because it's the best we can, but we also don't want to fail on our corner coming up. And what's happening is that we did fail. We weren't prepped and ready. We were getting shot out to the side, and then now we're going to crash, and hopefully our head hits nothing, but if it does, we have a helmet, hopefully. So guys, if you don't know what you're supposed to be doing, please don't do this, because I know one of the questions you guys did ask is riding a motorcycle hard. We'll talk about that after we finish the orbit out in the parking lot. So I'll see you there.